And you know, you kind of love the baby already when it comes and everything, because you have an idea about what the whole thing is going to be about, but you don't really know. And then about 2 weeks into the whole experience, it was about 2 weeks into the experience, and I was feeding him one night, and then I fell in love that night. And it had to do with the way he was smiling. He looked at me and he was eating, and he looked up and went, just kind of leered at me.
Gas. It was gasping.
It was, probably was. But it was this beautiful shape, and it was the shape of the moon. And so I wrote a song about that shape. Thank you.